Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we're unboxing the Qatar Boeing 747-8F cargo. Show you a little bit of the box here. I don't go too much into the box detail. Alright, and let's go ahead and open this thing. I just got this thing in the mail and waited about 2.5 weeks for it. It ended up getting lost in the mail, but I finally got it. And here we are. Already I'm noticing it is missing an engine. Alright. Yep. Look at that, guys. So here we go again with another Gemini Jets issue. Broken pieces on arrival. This is not okay. I'm definitely getting tired of having to super glue pieces back together, especially with the money I spend on these. So let's go ahead and fix this really quick. Alright, let's go ahead and super glue the engine back on. Like I said in my past videos, Gemini Jets is known for this, to have pieces broken off in the box, or gear doesn't work, paint messed up. Rarely it's the paint, mainly it's the pieces that are coming off. Let's go ahead and put this back on. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad when I'm done. And we'll still dive into a video review after this. Alright. It's pretty solid. Alright, it looks pretty good. It's back on. This is the side that didn't break off, so you can see right there, very clean. Just turn it around, see if there's a difference, really. No, it looks good. Got it back on. I'm used to it by now, super gluing these things together. Let's dive into the video review. Alright, let's take a look at the body here. Looks very, very clean. We've got the Qatar logo, cargo right there. Very clean paint job. I did mess with the gear a little bit already. The gear is a little bit stiff on this one. I think most of the 747s from Gemini have a little bit of issues with the gear already, but it's not bad. Paint job looks really good right here on this side. You got the cargo door right there, the 3 windows at the top. I'm assuming that's for crew. Engines look great. Let's take a top view here. Very nice, very clean. All the antennas in place. So not bad. The only disappointment was the engine, obviously detached in the box. Nice exhaust back there. Yeah, I'd say this one's another great model from Gemini Jets. Did an awesome job. Just wish they would get some things together. Maybe it happened in the mail, maybe it wasn't them, I don't know. Let's take a look at the bottom. You got the Qatar logo. There's your gear. Gear looks really good on the bottom, but again, it's a little stiff on the wheels. There you go, that's the side I just fixed. So you really can't tell. Little bit of super glue, it goes a long way with fixing these. Bottom looks really good. So that's it, guys. It's gonna wrap up another video here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would consider or tell you guys, definitely buy this model. You just gotta watch out for the pieces. Maybe you guys send them back. I always choose to just fix them. Thank you.